Cylindrical Robots Explained, the workhorse of American manufacturing. Imagine walking into a factory and seeing a robot that doesn't twist itself into yoga poses or wave around like it's conducting an orchestra. Instead, it spins around, slides in and out, and moves up and down. Neat, simple, and efficient. That is a cylindrical robot. So what is it? Well, an industrial robot that works in a cylindrical coordinate system. The base rotates around vertical axis, the arm extends or retracts like a telescope, and the whole assembly can move vertically. Put those together and the space it works, it looks like a cylinder. No surprise there. Why use one? They're sturdy, reliable, and often cheaper than more complex robots. Perfect for robots that don't need fancy gymnastics, like machine tending, loading and unloading, or moving parts from A to B. They're also great in places where space is tight because their movement is very predictable and efficient. But of course, they've got limits. If you want complex motion, twisting, reaching around obstacles, or precision on awkward angles, a cylindrical robot isn't your answer. They're the workhorses, not acrobats. In short, think of them as dependable forklift of the robot world. Not glamorous, not flashy, but when you need repetitive, straightforward jobs, done day in, day out, they're exactly what you want. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends, and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.